We all have one thing in common, that we all want to have a strong memory in our life. Why? Because we know that to get great success in our life, memory is the key thing. At times we have experienced that whenever we are attending some meeting or whenever we are sitting in some class and a question is asked, then inside we know that we know the answer, but at that particular time we are not able to recall that. And once the meeting is over, we find that, oh, now we can recall, but at that time it is of no use. Because all the information and knowledge which a person is having, if he is not able to recall that information at the right time and at the right place, then that knowledge is of no use. And that is why memory plays a very important role in the success of any individual. And this can be seen by observing a lot of successful people around the world. One thing common they all have, and that is they all have a strong memory which has helped them to grow in their life. Now, what to do to make memory strong? Scientifically, it has been proven that memory can be increased by doing certain exercises and by following certain practices. Today, I am going to share one such practice which I feel has really helped me in improving my memory, and that technique is called 5-minute recall. Yes, very simple technique but very important. This technique you have to practice just before you are going to sleep. So when you are lying on the bed, just take out 5 minutes for this exercise. What you have to do in this technique is, for that 5 minutes, you have to just recall whatever important has happened during the day. If you are a student, then you have to recall what lectures you have attended, what was the content of those lectures, what important formulas, theorems you have studied. Just recall broadly what you have done during that day. In the evening also, if you have done some study, recall it. You have to recall the important activities of your day. And what are important things which you feel are important for your growth in your life. I'm not asking you to recall each and everything, like if you are watching a movie, I am not asking you to recall that. There is no point of doing it. Here we need to focus on the areas which we want to improve. Similarly, if you are a working professional, recall what has happened during the day. When you entered the office, with whom all you met, then what meetings you attended, what was the main agenda of those meetings, what was the follow-up required for those meetings. So you have to repeat all those things in the bullet form in your mind. Just you have to do that for 5 minutes, simple. And for 3 days you just practice it. And then you can easily start observing the improvement in your memory. Because after 3 days, now on the 4th day, say whatever is happening in your day, you have that signal from the mind that I have to repeat it during my 5-minute exercise. So why not to recall it? Why not to pay attention to it carefully? Then your mind becomes attentive. And that is the key thing. When the mind becomes attentive and mind gives the signal that you have to recall this thing later, then your memory becomes super active and you will always remember the things which your mind is giving signal for. So this technique really works, and it's like a magic, 5-minute magic. So try practicing this technique and surely you will find substantial improvement in your memory. So with this beautiful thought, this is Harsh Tiwari signing out until we meet again.